dear first class children. Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of third chapter, addition up to 20. Okay, once we are going to recall what you have learned in this chapter. Addition, putting two or more numbers together is called addition. Plus C symbol for addition. The result of addition is called total. Okay? When we are going to putting together two or more numbers is called addition. Plus C symbol for addition. The result of addition is called total. Next, going to addition facts. When we add 0 to a number or number to 0, the answer is same number. Okay na? Number plus 0 or 0 plus number, the total is same number. When we add 1 to a number, the total is next number of the given number. That means after number of the given number. Okay my dear children. Next, with addition of one digit number to one digit number, addition of two digit number with one digit number, you learned in this chapter, and simple word problems, isn't it? And add the given numbers on the number line and find the missing number. Find the missing number you learned. Once I am going to revise all the concepts, then go to today's class. Okay? Let us look at the board. 8 plus 0. Here we add 0 to a number. What is the answer? Same number. The number does not change. We get the number itself. 12 plus 0. 12. 0 plus 9. 9. 0 plus 16. 16. Okay? 8 plus 0, 8. 12 plus 0, 12. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 16, 16. Now add 1 to a number, the after number of the given number. 6 plus 1 or 1 plus 6. 6 after 7. 1 plus 13 or 13 plus 1, 14. 9 plus 1, 9 after 10. 1 plus 18, the answer is 19. In this chapter, you have to learn addition up to 20 numbers. 1 to 9 numbers are one digit number. 10 is the first two digit number. 10 after 11. 1, 10, 1, 1, 11. 1, 10, 2 ones, 12. 1, 10, 3 ones, 13. 1, 10, 4 ones, 14. 1, 10, 5 ones, 15. 1, 10, 6 ones, 16. 1, 10, 7 ones, 17. 1, 10, 8 ones, 18. 1, 10, 9 ones, 19. 2 tens, 0. 1 10 and 1 10 make 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. 2 tens means 20. Okay. Now addition, adding two one digit numbers. One digit numbers 1 to 9. 1 to 9. 2 plus 6. 5 plus 7. One digit once. Take two fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Single digit number. We get total also one digit number. Now 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. Here we are going to do addition. Take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We get two digit number. 1, 10, 2 ones. 12 equal to 10 plus 2. 1, 10, 2 ones. 1, 10, 2 ones. This is 10 to ones, 10. answer is 1, 10, 2 ones 12. Okay na? Adding 1 digit numbers, we get total 2 digit number. Here adding 1 digit number, total also 1 digit number. Another one. Addition of 2 digit number with 1 digit number. Adding 2 digit number and 1 digit number. 2 digit, tens place and ones place. 13 plus 4. First number is 2 digit number. Second number is 1 digit number. If you are arranging the numbers like this, our arrangement of numbers is wrong. 4 is 1 digit. 4 should be right in the ones place. This is tens place. This arrangement of numbers is wrong. Okay na? Don't write the numbers like this. This is the correct way. Now adding ones first. Take 3 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7. 7 right in the ones place. Now bring down tens place. Here no tens, empty place. Now bring down 1. Now total is 17. Total is 17. Adding 2 digit number with 1 digit number. Another one. Tens place, ones place. 15 plus 1. Very easy. Tell me the answer. 15 plus 1. 15 after 16. Yes or no? Otherwise 5 plus 1, 6 and bring down 1. Very good. Another one. Adding 2 digit number with 1 digit number. 2 digit number 13. 1, 10, 3 ones plus 4. 13 plus 4. Adding ones. Take 3 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7. 7 right in the ones place. Now bring down tens place number. Now the total is 17. Total is 17. Now add 6 and 5 on the number line. Add 6 and 5 on the number line. Add 6 and 5 on the number line. Already you know how to draw the number line, isn't it? How to draw the number line. Number line start with 0. We are going to draw number line like this. Starting number is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This number line consists of 0 to 15. Now add 6 and 5 means the addition goes to 6 plus 5. The addition goes to 6 plus 5. We are going to find out the answer on the number line. I write down. 6 plus 5 equal to how much? Start from 0. First number is 6. Here is 6. Now draw a line like this. This line shows 6. Second number is 5. Now you take 6 after 5 steps. 6 after 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 11 on the 5th step. That means 6 after 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 11. Make a line 6 to 11. Now the total is 11. 6 plus 5, 11. This is addition on the number line. Understood? Next one. Adding 3 one-digit numbers. Adding 3 one-digit numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 3. Adding 3 one-digit numbers. All are one digit means ones. 2 1 3 ones. First adding these two numbers. Take 2 fingers, 4 after, 5, 6. 6 in the mind, take 3 fingers, 6 after, 7, 8, 9. The total also 1 digit number. 2 plus 4 plus 3. Plus C symbol for addition. First add these two numbers. 6 in the mind. Again add this number. Take 3 fingers, 6 after, 7, 8, 9. Another sum. 5 plus 3 plus 4. Come on, first add these two numbers. Take 5 fingers, 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind. Take 4 fingers, 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. 1, 10, 2 ones. 1, 10, 2 ones. 5 plus 3 plus 4. Total is 12. Adding 3 1-digit numbers. All are ones. Here we get 2-digit number. Then put the places like this. Tens place, ones place. Can I show another example? Tens place, ones place. 6 plus 5 plus 2. 6 plus 5 plus 2. First add these two numbers. Take 6 fingers. 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in the mind. Again add 2. Take 2 fingers. 11 after, 12, 13. 13. 1, 10, 3 ones. 1, 10, 3 ones. Now go to today's class word problems. This is going to add in 3 1-digit numbers. Now go to word problems, page number 44. Exercise 3F. Word problems. Page number 44. Okay? Come on. This page. Page number 44. I am going to read the question. See. First pictures are given. What are those? Muffins. Muffins means cupcakes. I have 5 muffins. Then I buy 5 more. Already I have 5. Again I am going to buy 5. Then 5 and 5 make 10. How many muffins do I have? 5 plus 5, 10. That is going to example problem. I have 5 muffins. Then I buy 5 more. More is the addition word. Already I have 5. Again I am going to buy 5. 5 and 5 make 10. 5 and 5 make 10. Okay. Next one. I am going to exercise 3F. Exercise 3F. First one. I am going to write the question. Come on children. Look at the board. Raju. Raju has a packet of 10 marbles. A packet having 10 marbles. He buys 6 more marbles. You also underline. First how many he has? 10. Then how many he bought? 6 more. More is addition word. How many marbles does Raju have now? Okay na? Raju దగ్గర 10 marbles ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకా 6 marbles తెచ్చుకున్నాడు. Then how many? What is the total? More is addition word. Find the total. Now I am going to write the answer. You follow me. Ready? First number of marbles. N-O-No dash 2 dots. O-F of. This is read as number of. Number of. marbles. Who's having marbles? Raju. Number of marbles Raju has. The number of marbles 10. More number of marbles. Again he bought. Number of marbles 10. More number of marbles. More number of marbles bought. He gets some more marbles, no. More number of marbles bought. See, put equals one below the other side. This is going to long, no? That's why I rub and write 10. Already Raju having 10. Again he bought 6 more. 6 is one digit number. Right below 0. Okay, 10 is 2 digit number, 6 is 1 digit number. Next, total. More is addition word, no? That's why write total number of marbles. This is class work sum. Total number of marbles. Total. Put the symbol plus. 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6. 1 10 and 6 1 16. 0 plus 6 6. Bring down 1. Total marbles are 16. Number of marbles 10. Number of marbles bought 6. Total marbles 16. You also write here. Here given some place you write 10 plus 6 16. Total number of marbles equal to 16. Number of, this is read as number of marbles. More number of marbles bought. Raju. Total number of marbles 10 plus 6. 2 digit number, 1 digit number. 1 10 and 6 ones make 16. Now how many marbles Raju has? 16. Very good. Now going to second question, Nana. Come on, look at the board. First one. Okay, go to second one. Come on, children. Second question. You see in your textbook. I am going to read the question. First person is Anil. Anil has 7 toy cars. Anil has 7 toy cars. Next, Sunil has 4 toy buses. Anil have toy cars. Sunil has toy buses. How many toys do the 2 boys have together? Together is addition word. Together means we are going to putting together given 2 numbers. Putting together means addition. How many toy cars with Anil? 7. How many toy buses with Sunil? 4. 7 plus 4 together means total. Okay? Understood? Come on, write the answer. Toy cars with Anil. Toy cars with Anil. ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి toy cars? Anil దగ్గర. Toy cars with Anil 7. Next, Sunil. Sunil దగ్గర ఏమున్నాయి? Buses. Toy buses. Toy buses with Sunil. Both are called toys. Sunil. How many toy buses? 4. Write 4 below 7. Now total toys. Total toys together. There are simple total toys with 2 boys. Okay? Total toys together. Ready now? Come on. Toy cars with Anil equal to 7. Toy buses with Sunil equal to 4. Total toys. Total means addition. Put the symbol plus. 7 plus 4. Here they given a for answer gap you also write 7 and 4 are one digit numbers. That's why write below ones place. 7 plus 4. Yes, 7 plus 4. Take 7 fingers. 4 after. Come on, take fingers. Take 7 fingers, Nana. Come on, take like this. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is a two-digit number. 1, 10, 1, 1. You have a place given like this in your textbook. Tens place, ones place. 7 plus 4. The answer goes to two-digit number. 1, 1, 1, 10. 1, 10 and 1, 1. 11. Total toys are 7 plus 4, 11. You should write in your textbook like this in the given space. Come on, go to third question. Come on, children. Third question. First one is over, marbles. Second one is cars, toy cars and toy buses. Third one. Ready? Come on, look here. There are 15 red flowers. How many red flowers? 15 red flowers. Underline like this. And 2 blue flowers. Again underline. In a garden, how many red and blue flowers? How many red and blue flowers are there in the garden? Here we are going to put together red and blue flowers. We are going to add 15 and 2. Okay? Ready? Here space is given. Here you write only numbers, but in classwork we are going to write the steps. Come on. First one, red flowers. Red flowers. Write simple words, Nana. Red flowers equal to 15, two-digit number, tens and ones. Red flowers, 15. Next, blue flowers. Blue flowers. How many blue flowers? See the number and tell me. How many? 2. 2 is a one-digit number. 2 right below 5 in the ones place. Now, total flowers. Red and blue means total. Total flowers. Here we are going to put together red flowers and blue flowers. You have to write like this. 15 plus 2. 15 is two-digit number. 2 is one-digit number. That's why 2 right below 5 in the ones place. Now take 5 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 right in the ones place. Now bring down 1. Now what is the number of total flowers? 17. How do you get 17? By addition. Okay, here you write the number. First number is 15, second number is 2. Write like this and find the total. Okay, red flowers equal to 15. Blue flowers equal to 12. Total flowers 15 plus 2, 17. We write the answer like this in our classwork book. Okay, children. One more question is here. See, fourth one. Books. Okay, come on, go to fourth question. Come on, children, fourth question. You have to write the numbers here. First, listen to me. I am going to explain. Sanjay. Who is he? Sanjay has 14 books. 14 books. His father buys 5 more books. More is addition word for him. Already Sanjay having 14 books. His father bought 6 more books. More is addition word. How many books does Sanjay have 14 and 5 make. Here we find the total. Okay, write the steps. Number of books. The books Sanjay have. Books Sanjay has. Number of books with Sanjay. The number of books Sanjay. Books with Sanjay. Already he having, no? We are going to write like that. Books with Sanjay. How many he having? Yes, 14. Tens place, ones place. 1, 10, 4 ones. His father buys 5 more books. Books his father bought. Books his father bought. How many books his father bought? 5. 5 is one digit number. Write in the ones place below 4. Now total number of books. Total books or total number of books with Sanjay. 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5. Here we get the total by addition. 4 plus 5. First adding ones. Take 4 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9. Write in the ones place. Bring down 1. Total number of books are 19. Sanjay having 14. His father bought 5 more books. Then total number of books are 14 plus 5, 19. Understood? These are the word problems in our textbook. Page number 44, exercise 3F. You also complete in the given space. We write the steps like this in our classwork book. Okay, Nana? Can I give you homework for you? Come on, open your homework books. Come on, children. Close your textbook and open your homework book, Nana. Open your homework book. I give you time. Come on, children. Homework. Heading goes to add. Heading goes to add. Addition up to 20. I am going to give an homework. Copy down in your homework book. First one. 5 plus 3. Write numbers one below the other correctly. Write your mother's help. Sorry, take your mother's help and arrange the numbers correctly. Second one. 8 plus 4. Ones place, tens place. Here also. Ones place, tens place. Third one. Tens place, ones place. 5 plus 9. Adding one digit numbers. Next, fourth one. Come down. 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2 plus 4. Ones place, tens place. Write in the two boxes. 3 plus 2 plus 4. Fifth one. Put the places. 7 plus 0 plus 3. 7 plus 0 plus 3. Sixth one. Tens place, ones place. 3 plus 6 plus 7. Tens place, ones place. Write the numbers in the ones place. All are one digit numbers. All are one digit numbers. Seventh one. Tens place, ones place. Are you seeing the board? Okay. Okay, I am going to write up. Here, seventh one. Put the places. Tens and ones. 12. 2 digit number plus 5 place. Ready? 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3. Find the total. Okay, I am going to change the number, Nana. 14 plus 5. Write the total. Find the total. 2-digit number and 1-digit number. You should keep for all the additions tens place, ones place. Tens place, ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You done in your homework book neatly and learn table of